you watch Vlogmas Day 12, then you know what this shirt says and where I got it from. Have you watched the previous vlogs? Huh? Okay. Anywho, today should be a good day. It's Saturday, but you're seeing this on Sunday, so I hope you're having an awesome Sunday. I am about to go to Goodwill. I did some decluttering, whole trash bag. About to donate that stuff, and then is under my glasses. We're gonna go to Walmart because we need to get Babe a heater for his man cave room. Cause y'all, we really don't be having the heat on like hot like that, like unless it's like freezing. And then we need to get a few little groceries because it's supposed to snow tomorrow. And honey, if you ain't from Oklahoma, then when it snow in Oklahoma, child, they shut the city down. So I need to do that. And then I need to go to Burlington's to make a return or possibly an exchange. And then I may go my big lots over here. And then I would like to get my eyebrows done, but last time I went by there, they weren't open, so I don't know. Then we have to go to Mama's house and decorate her Christmas tree, and then my tree. Wink, wink. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, that was like a long intro. There's a lot of stuff to do. Hopefully we get it all done. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, so let's get to it. All right, y'all. So here's Goodwill. But I think the donation part is in the bag. Hello, Planet Fitness. Used to go to your Planet Fitness. Probably never gonna go back to your Planet Fitness. All right. Let's see. I haven't donated in a cool minute, but I'm pretty sure I remember that it was back here. I don't know what they doing. Let's see. Oh no. Oh yes, that is this is it. Let me turn around. I guess I need to are they taking stuff? I just have a bag I need to give them. I wonder if I could, can I sit y'all up so y'all can see me? Y'all, the phone won't let me be great. Alright, y'all, we are in Walmart. I had to switch up the mask, y'all. Because I just don't think wearing the same mask over and over again, even if you wash it, it just, I don't know. This is my basket. They only had these little bitty baskets up there, and I'm like, what the heck? Anywho, I'm about done. I'm just looking at the clearance section. I don't know about y'all, but I always check the clearance section at Walmart. Because, honey, you just never know what you're going to find for like $1 or $2. So, oh, that's cute. I ain't found too much, though. Everything's been like $9, $13. I'm trying to find the clearance, you feel me? $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. Alright, y'all. Let me get out of here because I so got other errands to run. Well, yeah, this is what happens till y'all wait to see what's left for like clearance or something. Not much at Locs apparently, but I was wanting something to go like on the bar. That's cute. I just don't know if I want to pay $16 for that. This is some garland that's pre-lit for only $10. I would have to spruce it up though because it's pretty plain. I don't know though, y'all. Let's see, I could add maybe some of those to it. That's what, $5? Or some of these. I don't know. I don't know if I really feel like doing all this, y'all. I think it's just a wrap for me with like Christmas decorating. I guess it's just not gonna happen this year, y'all. Sorry, not sorry. Y'all, so now we about to go get our eyebrows did. Now I don't know about where y'all live, but where I live, honey, it be the hole in the wall or in the cut places. And they do the best eyebrows, baby, and they only cost $5. So y'all take a real good look at what they look like right now, okay? Because we about to go get them done now, child. It's been too long. I don't even remember last time I got them done. All right, let's go. All right now, y'all. You need eyebrow honey? Yes, I do. Okay? Yes. I've been letting my eyebrows grow out, and now I'm to the point to where I don't have to fill them in no more, and I'm so happy about it. I don't really care about having super thick and super dark eyebrows. When you get them waxed, it does the job. So yes, y'all, now I gotta go to the beauty supply store and then get, because I need some more eyelashes, and then we can finally go to mama's house and put this Christmas tree up. But honestly, y'all, that Christmas tree probably gonna be a whole nother vlog, so y'all watch this one. Y'all stay tuned for that one, okay? All right, let's go. So since Babe and I done kind of moved to like the outskirts of the city, this is close to my mama's house. I will come all the way to the east side just to come to this beauty supply store. Just to come to this one beauty supply store. Like, everybody got that beauty supply store that they love, no matter where it's at. Okay? No matter where you live, you gonna go to it. Okay? It don't matter. This is mine. This is it. Right here. Okay, y'all, so I couldn't vlog in there because, of course, in the beauty supply store, they playing music. So I'm going to give y'all a quick little car haul. And I got double of each, so I'm going to just show y'all. I want to say these are the ones I have on now. I think these are the ones I have on now. I'm pretty sure I've showed y'all the lashes I get before in a Vlogmas video. So if you watch my other Vlogmas videos, honey, you know. So make sure you do that. These are the other ones. And then these are the other ones. So yes, you guys, we have had a full day of shopping. Thank you guys for rolling with me today. I hope that you continue rocking with me throughout the Vlogmases. I'm about to go to my mama's house and put up the Christmas tree with my siblings and my nephew. So yeah, it's been great. It's been real. I love y'all so much. Okay, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in Vlogmas day 14. Bye.